Welcome car lovers, today I bring you two sedans from the ever so popular Toyota brand. One is popular while the other is trying to redefine standards. I am talking about the 2025 Toyota Camry and the 2024 Toyota Crown. Now let's go see how they compare. It might not be the most exciting choice, but the Toyota Camry Hybrid is popular for its affordability, spaciousness, and efficiency. For 2025, the family sedan gets a fresh look and bolsters its thrifty credibility by switching its once broad powertrain lineup to include only two hybrid options. Toyota's wacky Crown sedan cum SUV gets a few tweaks to interior materials for 2024 to help improve fit and finish. The mid-range Limited can now be ordered with the Advanced Technology package, which includes adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, and more. All Camrys comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid that outputs 225 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. It's connected to an electronically controlled CVT transmission and has an MPG rating of 53 city 50 highway for front-wheel drive, while the all-wheel drive gets 51 city and 49 highway. Its MSRP is $28,400 to $36,125. The Crown also comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid, but this time it outputs 236 horsepower and 163 pound-feet of torque. It comes with the same eCVT auto transmission, while the Crown comes standard with all-wheel drive with an MPG rating of 42 city and 41 highway. Its MSRP is $40,350 to $53,370. As shown, although both comes with nearly identical engine, the Camry is more fuel efficient. With more trims available, the Camry is also catered for a variety of different buyers. Despite not being known for being sporty, the Camry is also equipped with a nice sharp handling. However, it's not all rainbows and sunshine. The Camry comes with front seats that lacks comfort, and unlike the Crown, which is a mixture of sedan and crossover, the Camry has less ground clearance. Its biggest disappointment is the fact that TRD and V6 options are now gone. Unlike the Camry, the Crown comes available with a turbo with its hybrid powertrain, outputting a staggering total of 332 horsepower. With a higher MSRP, the Crown also comes standard with all-wheel drive and overall more standard features like heated seats and wireless phone charging. The Crown may be a mixture of crossover and sedan, but its interior is only marginally bigger than the Camry. Its higher starting price also doesn't correlate to its lack of premium interior quality. As a matter of fact, it still comes standard with cloth seats and a noisy cabin. In summary, the Camry may have gotten an update, but it is still the Camry we all know and love. Despite being a mid-size sedan, it is as spacious as the top-tier Crown and gets better MPG rating. It may not have as much ground clearance as the Crown, but a fully equipped Camry is still cheaper than the base Crown. The Crown replaced the Avalon as being the top full-size Toyota sedan, so it's no surprise that it has a higher starting price and comes with more standard features. What doesn't is how its noisy cabin is the same size as the Camry and how its handling is numb despite having a 300 horsepower engine available. Therefore, the winner is the 2025 Toyota Camry. Let me know down in the comments below if you agree or not. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video, turn on notifications and subscribe.